Alright, time to test out the electromagnet. Got it powered up with this SPV70 over here. It's all mounted and ready to go. And turned on. And I removed the door striker just for this test, because I've got to readjust it so that the door closes. And it is engaged. And it's not going anywhere. Putting all my weight on here. It is strong. It is not going anywhere. It's all braced in here. Kind of hard to see. One of my lights in my garage is out, but a bunch of 1/4 inch. Damn. I think that's gonna work. And get a little bit more bracing in the floor here. And up on the roof. And then that's about it. Be back with more updates later.